Alright guys, so we got the bike ready. We're going to try to do a tarp camp out. I got less than an hour before dark. I got to hustle. Go see if I can find a place to set up a tarp, and it's supposed to rain within 2 hours. So let's go see what we can do. Crap guys. Let me tell you. This might be the worst idea I've ever had. I've got the tarp set up. The mosquitoes are super bad. Don't know if it's going to cool off much. This might be like the worst idea I've ever had. Like literally. Holy crap. The mosquitoes are everywhere. Oh, whatever. Anyways, we're set up, but not really ready for anything. I think it's time for a drink. Well, that's what I think. Check this out. I'll turn the camera on here a second. And so I just grabbed a tarp, threw it over the thing, the bike. Got ropes going to picnic table over my sleeping pad right there, which will go in on the other side of the bike over there. Again, total last minute. I had less than an hour before dark when I left the house. So, there's that. Here we are. Alright guys. So we're going to get ready to warm up some water here for an MRE. So, flat pack grill is pretty easy to work with. I just take bam, there it is. So we're gonna take some water because we're gonna cheat. We're just having an MRE tonight. So we're gonna heat up some water for said MRE. That should probably be enough water for that MRE. So there you go. That's what the flat pack grill looks like with the. This is just you can see with my hand. It's tiny. So I'll bring you guys back after a while. I just wanted to show you putting a little pot on the stove here, just so you can see how small this UCO flat pack mini is. I mean, it is. I wish. Well, here's the UCO fork and spoon set. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not much wider. This thing must only be 8 inches across. And this is my first time using the mini flat pack. So far I like it. One of the things I like about the flat pack minis, I'm cooking on I'm on a picnic table right now. You can see there's my hand underneath the grill. It's nice and cool, so I can sit at the picnic table and cook a meal, and I don't have to worry about the wood down here getting hot. So I'm telling you guys, I'm not sponsored by UCO, but boy do I like their grills. I like their spoon knife fork combo. That's really all I got at UCO right now, but man, I tell you what, these little flat pack grills, I mean, there's other ones on the market. There's some really nice stuff on the market. And but I'd put this thing up against anything out there because it's easy. It folds up really small. You know, I had this in the motorcycle bag, so there you go. It's just super portable, super small. You can see, you know, there's my hand. It's not, that thing must only be 8 inches. I don't know the actual dimensions. You can go to UCO and probably look them up. But This thing, last week you guys seen me with the UCO large grill. I've used that a few times. This is literally my first time with the UCO Mini. And let me tell you guys, I like this product. I'm not endorsed by them, not sponsored by them. I bought both grills myself. I really, really enjoy this product. Really do. So, anyways, I'll talk to you guys after a while. Hey guys, so I'm back. Now we got to take a look at what we got going on here. So we have some mac and cheese for dinner tonight. Oh, and then after all that, all we got left is breakfast stuff. So it looks like we're going to enjoy some mac and cheese tonight. That's what it looks like. So what's it say here? Tarp pouch. Add 2 cups of boiling water and let it sit for 15 minutes. The water is getting close to boiling. I'm going to turn this way. That way we can see the spout here. You can see that there's steam coming on. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but anyways, we're getting close. I'll bring you back in a minute. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes. So we're going to take the UCO. I showed you this last time, guys, and still like this. It's a spoon, knife, fork combo. But you put them together like that so you can dig into the thing. So again, this, just like the grill, is a UCO product. So anyways, let's try our mac and cheese out, see what we got. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's actually pretty doggone good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was not expecting that. That's enjoyable. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we got the UCO flatback grill mini. We're able to boil some water up. Make some mac and cheese. MRE. We got a UCO fork, spoon, knife combo. Oh my gosh, guys. I actually enjoy that. I'll be honest. I enjoy that. I'm sorry I keep putting a light on, but I can't see down this thing without the light. I gotta work on better lighting. That's for sure. So, anyways, I'm gonna finish eating dinner. I'll probably check back with you guys when I'm ready for bed. UCO mini grill. Got it burning. UCO fork, knife, spoon combo. MRE. A thermal cell to help keep the mosquitoes away. And we got a good night here. Alright guys, I'll talk to you after a while. I'm having a blast. things are good. Alright. We'll bring you back probably before I go to bed. Hey guys, so had some dinner. Now we're just sitting here next to this flat pack grill here. Got a little flame going. Turned out to be a nice night. We were supposed to get some rain, and I'm kind of glad we didn't, but had we gotten some rain, that would have made an adventure. So, yeah, there you go. So I sure do like this grill. Check this thing out. That's sitting here on a picnic table. There's my hand underneath the grill. Isn't that amazing? Sitting on a picnic table. This little UCO grill. Well, I tell you what, I am a fan. I am a fan. Again, not sponsored. Just something that I bought and I actually enjoy. So, anyways, I'll get back to you guys after a while. That's a view. There's side of motorcycle, camera stand, tarp, sleeping bag, sleeping pads, UCO Mini with a fire going out there. So yeah, that's what it looks like from inside. Alright guys, so I am laying in the tarp, as you can see, and I actually got my phone. There's the motorcycle right there, touching it. I'll move the UCO grill over there. So yeah, just laying down for a minute here and getting comfortable. I'll probably end up oops. Yeah, so just trying to get comfortable here and probably calling it a night here before too long. But just wanted to show you a quick inside look. Good morning, guys. This record's about 7:30. It is awfully blue, but when you use a big old blue tarp for your motorcycle campout, what would you expect? Had a pretty good night last night. Slept pretty well. We didn't get any weather. Again, the whole purpose of doing the campout last night was I was expecting some weather, and we got none. Doggone it. It was still a good time though. I cannot complain. But we'll get up here, see if we can get a fire going again, get some coffee going. So we'll check in with you guys in a minute here. Hey, good morning, gang. So, looks like we got a fire going again here. Let's see here, where's a good place to put that so you can see it. Right there. So, yeah, we're gonna get some coffee going in here in just a little bit. So, I'm gonna work on this fire some more, and we'll get back to you in a little bit. Go over this tarp situation. See what I thought. Give you my overview of last night. But all right, we'll get back to that in just a second. All right, so here's this big blue tarp. I'm not even sure what the dimensions are. I'm guessing like 10 by 16 or 10 by 12. I don't even know for sure. But you can see pretty much one side is closed off. See, I took one of these. You can pick up these clips here. You can pick up them clips at Menards. Relatively cheap. I don't remember what they were. But worked pretty good. You can pinch that off. It gives you a little bit more room on the inside. That little rope also came from Menards. So what I did... Hold on, let me switch position. All right. So here's how we set this up basically. So right here, I had a stake here on the front line of the tarp, and I did the same thing towards the front of the motorcycle. Then I came 2 holes back, set a peg, both right here and right there. So that was, that would give me the pitch to come up over the motorcycle, which then the motorcycle became your ridgeline, right? And then with this clip here that we picked up from Menards and this skyline going to this tree here, that gave a little bit more room within the shelter. So there you go, the basic setup there. So now right here, once I had everything set, I took and pulled that peg and then folded it. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I actually folded it back underneath, and that was hoping that if it rained, once the rain was falling, water would drip off but not drip on the tarp and go inside the shelter. So that was the purpose of that. And then you can see here, I had, with this big tarp, I had enough room so I could sit underneath there if need be and get out of the weather. It was supposed to rain last night, so that's what I was planning for. And then we had some guideline going to picnic table. Although, you know, I could have went in the woods, picked up a couple of branches and used them as poles out here, and then use guidelines to go down to the ground from there. So there's a couple different ways I could have set that up, but I think the setup would have done very well if it would have rained last night. I think I would have stayed dry. I think the motorcycle for the most part would have stayed dry, and it was a fun setup. Super fun camp out. Something a little bit different. And just wanted to see what I could do with a tarp. So, alright guys, we're going to get to some coffee here. Alright guys, so maybe you're wondering what the heck is going on here. So, a couple weeks ago, I was working on a semi, and I basically fell over, smashed my elbow on the ground really hard. And ever since then, I don't know if I chipped a bone or what I did, but some days it feels okay, some days it hurts so terrible, and I should probably go get this thing checked out at some point. It's been almost a month now that I've been dealing with this. But when I sleep at night, if I put it on and I need to put pressure on my elbow, or if I put pressure on it without the brace, it just hurts like crazy. When I'm having this wrap on, really helps take away some of the pain. So yeah, I fell working on the semi. Yeah, doggone it, life, eh? And who would think just one little fall could just kind of hang with you for such a long damn time. But this one's hanging out with me, and I'm not enjoying it very much. So anyways, we're gonna have some Folgers coffee this morning. These work out pretty good. I kind of like these. They're the little coffee tea bag things. Yeah, it's not boiling, but it looks like it's hot. So let's get some of that poured. But anyways, and again, I appreciate you guys coming along. You know, just an old guy, old trucker who enjoys trying to get out and have some fun. It's the kind of shenanigans we can get into, and I just really appreciate you guys coming along. We this morning I woke up, I seen we're up to 72 subscribers. Every time I see it change, it's just, I'm so thrilled, and I feel basically honored because I don't understand. I find it crazy that anybody would want to watch any of this train wreck going on. But I appreciate you guys coming along. So hit that like button, hit the share, throw some comments out there. Help this algorithm out a little bit. Maybe other people. I mean, you guys enjoy it. Maybe other people would enjoy it as well. So, as I said before, I'm no pro. There are guys and gals out on the interwebs who do a really great job teaching, training, showing you how to do things. If you just want to see a guy get out and have fun, I'm a guy. I do have fun. And one of my favorite guys to watch, actually guy and gal, Luke and Susie from the Outdoor Gear Review. Luke does a lot of MREs. He does lots of hiking. I wish I could hike that much. Over the years, I got a terrible knee. Hopefully someday I can get that fixed. It's actually, I've had surgery on that once already. And so hopefully someday I can get that fixed. Got some other issues. It'd be hard for me to do that kind of walking. I would love to get out and do what he does. But he likes his MREs, and I can see why. So, Luke and Susie, love your channel. And I too am enjoying the ease of the MRE. Alright guys, well I'm going to let you go. I appreciate you coming along again. I may or may not have a breakdown series. I usually like to do something. But if I don't do a teardown, thanks for coming along. I appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.